The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Wow! This walk-in lakefront condo is a must-see. You will be in awe of the breathtaking panoramic lake views. Condo is turnkey with fashionable decor throughout. The unique floor plan boasts 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, full-size kitchen with additional private dining area, a year-round sunroom that can be accessed from both the living area and bedroom, and much more. Relax on your oversized wrap-around deck and enjoy the trout, fishermen, and sounds of nature. All of this conveniently located within 5 minutes from Table Rock Lake. The famous 76 Music Blvd and Taneycomo Lake is out your back door. Call today for a private showing. Unit 2 owned by same owner, also for sale.